In today's lecture, we discuss the fragmentation pattern for the aromatic amides. Then what is the mass spectrum and fragmentation pattern for the aromatic amides? The mass spectrum of aromatic amides. In the mass spectrum of aromatic amides, generally the molecular ion appear are intense in nature. Generally, the molecular ions are strong in nature. Then what are the possible mode of fragmentation in aromatic amides? The first fragmentation which is occur in aromatic amides is the alpha cleavage. The first fragmentation, it is a principal mode of fragmentation, it is a common fragmentation which is occur in aromatic amide, alpha cleavage. Then consider the example. This is the aromatic amide. The first, it undergoes electron ionization and there is formation of molecular ion take place. This molecular ion is formed. After the formation of molecular ion, this is the molecular ion. If this molecular ion is formed, it undergoes alpha cleavage, and in this alpha cleavage, NH2 group eliminate as a radical to give phenylacylyl ion. There is a formation of phenylacylyl ion. This fragment ion takes place at mass to charge ratio 105. All aromatic carbonyl compound, aldehyde, ester, ketone, carboxylic acid shows this fragment ion at mass to charge ratio 105. Alpha cleavage in aromatic amide after the formation of molecular ion, it loss of NH2 group as a radical by alpha cleavage fragmentation process to give phenylacylyl ion at mass to charge ratio 105. Then this acylyl ion fragment further undergoes secondary fragmentation with loss of carbon monoxide. It further undergoes the loss of neutral carbon monoxide molecule to give the phenylcation fragment at mass to charge ratio 77. This phenylcation further undergoes loss of neutral molecule of acetylene and there is formation of cyclobutadiene cation fragment take place at mass to charge ratio 51. This is the common fragmentation pattern which is observed in aromatic amides. The aromatic amides generally shows strong molecular ion in the mass spectrum. It undergoes the alpha cleavage. It is a common mode of fragmentation. In the alpha cleavage, loss of NH2 group as a radical to give phenylacylyl ion fragment at mass to charge ratio 105. This phenylacylyl ion further undergoes secondary fragmentation with loss of carbon monoxide as a neutral molecule to give phenylcation, and this phenylcation further undergoes the fragmentation with those loss of acetylene molecule to give cyclobutadiene cation at mass to charge ratio 51. In another alpha cleavage, consider after the formation of this molecular ion, if this molecular ion is formed, in another alpha cleavage, loss of phenyl ring, this aromatic ring eliminate as a radical and there is formation of this acylyl ion take place at mass to charge ratio 44. This is the another alpha cleavage. The alpha cleavage occurs on opposite side of this carbonyl carbonyl nitrogen bond. This carbon phenyl ring bond cleavage occurs and there is formation of acylyl ion. with loss of phenyl group as a radical. To use this fragment ion, it has mass to charge ratio 44. This is the first fragmentation which is occurs in aromatic amide, that is the alpha cleavage. Then consider the second mode of fragmentation in aromatic amide. And what is the second mode of fragmentation in aromatic amides? This is known as Artho effect. We already discussed the Artho effect in last lecture. What is the Artho effect? Which compound undergoes Artho effect fragmentation? Which compound undergoes Artho rearrangement? What is the Artho effect? The aromatic carboxylic acid, aromatic ester and aromatic amides. These three carbonyl compounds, aromatic acid, aromatic ester and aromatic amides, having orthoalkyl, orthohydroxy, orthoamino substituent or group. Aromatic acid, aromatic ester and aromatic amides having orthoalkyl, orthohydroxy or orthoamino substituent undergoes the Artho effect fragmentation with loss of water molecule if compound is acid, with loss of alcohol if aromatic ester is the used in this given compound, and if loss of ammonia molecule in the fragmentation process aromatic amide are used. Then aromatic amides, consider this aromatic amides which having orthoalkyl, orthohydroxy or orthoamino substituent. Then we consider the orthohydroxy substituent. Then it undergoes Artho effect fragmentation. After the electron ionization, the molecular ion is formed. This molecular ion is formed. After the formation of this molecular ion, this NH2 group intramolecularly abstract the hydrogen on ortho substituent. This it abstract intramolecularly this hydroxy hydrogen, and loss of ammonia molecule occurs. The neutral ammonia occurs. There is formation of this fragment ion take place at mass to charge ratio even number. This fragment ion is formed. If we take the orthoalkyl substituent, see the orthoalkyl substituent, it also undergoes Artho effect through the 6-membered cyclic transition state. NH2 group abstract this hydrogen on ortho group with loss of neutral molecule. There is formation of this fragment ion take place. This fragment ion is formed at even mass number. This is the Artho effect with respect to amide functional group. In aromatic amide, with respect to amide functional group at ortho carbon, if there is a hydroxy, alkyl or amino substituent are present, then this aromatic amide which having orthoalkyl, orthohydroxy or orthoamino group undergoes Artho effect fragmentation to use the fragment ion at even mass number with loss of neutral ammonia molecule. With loss of neutral ammonia molecule, this fragmentation proceeding through the 6-membered cyclic transition state. Intramolecularly NH2 group abstract this hydrogen on ortho group, and formation of this fragment ion with loss of ammonia molecule occurs. This is known as Artho effect fragmentation. Aromatic ester, aromatic amides, aromatic ester having orthoalkyl, orthohydroxy or orthoamino substituent undergoes the Artho effect fragmentation. Aromatic ester, aromatic amide and aromatic acids having orthoalkyl, orthohydroxy, orthoamino substituent undergoes the fragmentation through the 6-membered cyclic transition state with loss of water, ammonia or alcohol as a neutral molecule to use fragment time at even mass number. If there is no nitrogen, even mass number, the fragment generally obtained at even mass number. This fragmentation is known as Artho effect fragmentation. It is useful for distinguish the arthoisomer from meta and para isomer. Artho effect fragmentation is useful to distinguish artho aromatic acid, artho substituted ester and artho substituted amide from their corresponding meta and para isomers. This is the important application. Artho effect fragmentation is useful to distinguish artho isomer from meta and para isomer. Consider the example. Consider one example. How will you distinguish these two pair of compounds? How will you distinguish these two pair of compounds by mass spectrum? Consider one is artho disubstituted, another one is meta disubstituted. It is arthoisomer and it is a para isomer. Both compounds have same molecular formula, but structural arrangement are different. These are the isomer. How will you distinguish these two pair of isomer with the help of mass spectrum? Then, in this case, with respect to amide functional group, NH2 present at artho position is in this compound. Artho effect fragmentation is occurs. Then consider this artho effect fragmentation. This amide at artho position amino group is present. Then it undergoes first electron ionization. It undergoes first electron ionization. This molecular ion is formed. Then what is the mass to charge ratio of this molecular ion? Total number of carbons, 6 ring carbon, this is the 7. 7 into 12, 84. 1 oxygen, 60. 1 and 2 nitrogens, 2 into 14, 28. And number of hydrogens, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 4, 8 hydrogens. 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 8, 26, 2 plus 8, 10, 11, 11 plus 2. It has mass to charge ratio 136. Consider we discover the nitrogen rule. According to nitrogen rule, if the compound have even number of nitrogen, then the mass of the molecular ion are generally even number. This compound have 2 nitrogens. There is even number of nitrogen. Therefore, the mass of the molecular ion is even number. Then it undergoes artho effect. It undergoes artho effect with loss of ammonia. With loss of ammonia, there is formation of this fragment type. The ammonia has total mass, nitrogen 14 and hydrogen 3, 17. This 136 minus 17. The total, this fragment type is obtained at mass to charge ratio. This is 9. This 190 is the artho effect fragment time. For this isomer, use the fragment time at mass to charge ratio 190. In the second compound, there is a not NH2 group is not present at artho position. This compound does not undergo artho effect fragmentation, and this fragment time is not found in this fragmentine generally does not appear in the mass spectrum of this compound. How will you distinguish these two pair of compound with the help of mass spectra? It is an orthoisomer, it is a meta isomer. In these two pair of compound, we can easily distinguish with the help of mass spectra by ortho-effect fragmentation. Alpha cleavage fragmentation in both compound gives fragmentine at same mass to charge ratio. In both compound, ortho-effect fragmentation, alpha cleavage fragmentation gives the fragmentine at same mass to charge ratio. Only one fragment which gives the fragmentine at different mass. This is the ortho-effect fragmentation. In orthoisomer undergoes ortho-effect fragmentation to produce fragmentine at mass to charge ratio 190. In compound second, in the mass spectrum of compound second, the fragmentine at mass to charge ratio 190 is absent. Why it is absent? Because this compound does not undergo ortho-effect fragmentation. Because what is the condition for ortho-effect fragmentation? The substituent should be required at ortho position. If the substituent, hydrogen containing substituent like hydroxy, alkyl or NH2, they are present at ortho position, 6-member cyclic transition state is found. It is present at meta and para position, the formation of 6-member cyclic transition state is not occurs. Then loss of ammonia molecule, water molecule or acid, alcohol is not possible. Then this orthoisomer gives only ortho effect. Meta and para isomer does not give ortho effect fragmentation. This compound does not give ortho effect fragmentation. Therefore, the fragmentine at mass to charge ratio 190 is absent in the mass spectrum of this compound. This ortho effect fragmentation is useful to distinguish the isomeric compound. We can easily distinguish orthoisomer from para meta isomer. This is the fragmentation pattern for the aromatic amides. Then we discussed the fragmentation of aliphatic amides in the last lecture.